In today's energy markets, let's take a look at natural gas futures as they're realizing higher price action for a second day. Natural gas futures are now pushing up here towards the top end of the range for the last month when you look at the price action. Right around 7.51, which is up about 7% on the day. So natural gas futures recovering here the last couple of weeks, and particularly over the last week, we're seeing higher price action here. And I think when you look at some of the driving factors, the themes surrounding supplies to Europe continue to dominate the headlines. And I think that that's why we're seeing this recovery in natural gas futures. As Europe supply challenges continue with Russian pipelines offline, there's an indication that there's some maintenance issues, but a lot of market participants and market observers are wondering if that is going to even come back online if these maintenance issues are indeed dealt with. And looking at the supply to Europe right now, it does appear that Russia's supply of natural gas to Europe is down about 60%. Since the invasion to Ukraine. So that's a theme that's working its way through the markets here, I think, as we move towards the second half of the year. And it does appear at the moment that Europe's going to continue to look for other suppliers, and that certainly appears to be benefiting the exportation of LNG here from the United States. And so I think that's why we're seeing natural gas futures pushing higher. And when you look at some of the general trends, as I mentioned, we are seeing natural gas futures coming off the lows from a couple weeks ago, up about $2.18 here from those lows, which equates to about a 41% increase over the last couple of weeks. And also when you look at just some of the trends within the energy space here the last few days, we are also experiencing WTI realizing some further upside today as well, up about 5%, just shy of the $100 level now once again, so coming off of the recent lows. So we're seeing energy really both in natural gas and in crude and WTI benefiting from some of the recent narratives, some of the trends that the market's experiencing, and now we're seeing both of them up for a second session.